See, fuck you knockoffs. What the fuck? Wait. What? What the fuck? What? Is the follow quizzy? What's this? Use the slides. Alright, thanks for telling me. Alright, nice. Low quality thumbnail.
Welcome to Moo Moo Math in Science. In this video, I'd like to talk about heredity, or why you look the way you do. Have you ever wondered why you look similar to your parents,
Why is there?
but not exactly?
Why do I have ads?
Heredity is the passing of traits from one generation to another. But what are traits? Traits are characteristics that can be passed from one generation to another. For example, these may include your eye color, the color of a dog, the beak of a bird.
Yeah, thanks.
In the 1800s, while growing pea plants, Gregor Mendel noticed that some traits, like the height of the plant, may change from one generation to the next.
Huh?
For example, if he bred two tall plants together, in the first generation, he would get tall plants.
Yes.
However, in the second generation, he may get 3 tall plants and 1 short plant.
Wow.
He classified the first generation trait as the dominant trait, and the trait that was masked or covered up as the recessive trait.
Damn it, trait.
The reason that you get dominant and recessive traits is that you get one copy of the trait from your mother and another from your father. Most human cells are considered diploid because they contain a set of chromosomes. This helps explain why you look similar to your mom and dad, but not exactly. Since Mendel's time, there has been a whole field of science that studies heredity called genetics. And lately, the field of genetics has been very busy. They have mapped the human genome, or the DNA, they have cloned animals, and they have helped to find cures to genetic diseases. I hope this helps with your understanding of heredity, and thanks for watching. Moo Moo Math uploads a new math or science video.
You started right there. Who is Gregor Mendel? A priestess who lived in a monastery in Central Europe. Experimented with pea plants to understand the process of heredity. Father formed the foundation of genetics and so important he called the father of genetics. Okay, nice. Thanks. And another video. Why do I still get ads?
Monk, teacher, and biologist, Gregor Mendel is known today as the father of modern genetics.
Gregor Mendel's experiments on pea plants were fundamental in establishing the field of modern genetics.
Born Johann Mendel on July 22, 1822, in what was Austria and is now the Czech Republic, Mendel excelled at school and became an Augustinian monk to further his education.
Oh, really?
He was given the name Gregor when he entered the monastery.
Nice, thanks.
The monastery sent him to the University of Vienna, and that gave him the education in science, chemistry, and botany that he then brought back to use in his teaching.
Mendel accepted a teaching position at the monastery in Brno after completing his university studies. It was during this period he began his famous pea plant experiments.
Before Mendel, people thought you would equally inherit the traits of parent A and parent B in equal proportions.
Mendel experimented with pea plants and found that instead there were dominant and recessive traits in all organisms that were passed on statistically based upon the mixing of genes between the two parents.
This theory is now known as the law of segregation. Mendel also formulated the law of independent assortment.
The law of independent assortment addressed the fact that there are a large number of traits. These traits are passed on randomly and
randomly
are independent of the other traits and of the traits of the two different parents.
The ability to explain hereditary diseases and to engineer plants with desired properties are all consequences of the fundamental theory founded by Mendel.
Nice.
During his life, Gregor Mendel's research was disregarded by almost everyone. It wasn't until the early 1900s, after his death, that Mendel's work was appreciated and now serves as the basis for genetics and heredity.
In his later years, Mendel became the abbot of his monastery and spent less time with his scientific endeavors. Gregor Mendel died in 1884 at the age of 62.
Gregor Mendel's work laid the foundation for modern genetics, modern gene therapy, and is the basis for some of the most exciting discoveries in medicine currently and in the near future.
Nice. Thanks for telling me. Thanks a lot. Yeah, the passing of physical characteristics from parents to offspring. Simple, easy, yes. What is the trait? A physical characteristic. What is examples of the trait? Eye color, hair color, seed color, height, flower position. Damn, that was fast. Damn, that was a banger. Oh my god. Gregor Mendel. I'm smart. Wait, we're starting questions? Oh no way. Oh no way. No. Ah. Oh god. Quizlet. It's called you. Oh my god.